Hi there, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna show you how to solve logarithmic equations. First of all, what are logarithmic equations? Logarithmic equations contain logarithmic expressions and constants. Logarithm is another way to write an exponent. If one of a logarithmic equation contains more than one logarithm, use the properties of logarithm to condense it into a single logarithm. To solve logarithmic equations, we must first transpose all the terms with log to one side such that it is equal to a constant. After which, apply the properties of logarithms to simplify the equation and solve for the missing variable. Note that you must always check your answers because of extraneous roots or extraneous answers. To fully understand what it means, let us solve some examples. For our first example, log of quantity 4x minus 7 with base 5 is equal to log of quantity x plus 5 with base 5. Remember that log is an exponent. So now let us raise both sides by 5 to cancel the log base 5. We are now left with 4x minus 7 is equal to x plus 5. Transpose all the terms with x to the other side and all the constant to the other side. So now we are left with 4x minus 7 is equal to 7 plus 5. 4x minus 7 is equal to 3x and 7 plus 5 is equal to 12. So now we are left with 3x is equal to 12. Divide both sides by 3 and x is equal to 4. So to check our answer, let us use the equation 4x minus 7 is equal to x plus 5. So substitute the 4 into the equation. 4 times 4 minus 7 is equal to 4 plus 5. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. And 16 minus 7 is equal to 9. So 9 is equal to 9. Therefore, 4 is a solution. For our second example, log of 2x plus log of quantity x minus 5 is equal to 2. Using the laws of logarithm, we can simplify this equation into log 2x plus log quantity x minus 5, and that is equal to log of quantity 2x times the quantity x minus 5. So we can presume that log of 2x times the quantity x minus 5 is equal to 2. We can now distribute this into log of quantity 2x squared minus 10x is equal to 2. Note that a log with no indicated base always has a base of 10. So now we can use the base of the log, and that is the base of the exponent. So log of 2x squared minus 10x is equal to 10 squared. And the log base 10 will be cancelled. So now we are left with 2x squared minus 10x is equal to 10 squared or 100. Next is x squared minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. We simply transpose the 100 to the other side and divide both sides by 2. Get the roots, and we can have x minus 10 times x plus 5. So the answers are x is equal to 10 or x is equal to negative 5. Since we have no log of negative constant, x is equal to negative 5 is already the wrong answer. So now let us check x is equal to 10. So now to check our answer, we can use the equation x squared minus 5x minus 50 is equal to 0. So simply substitute the x is equal to 10 into the equation. So 10 squared minus 5 times 10 minus 50 is equal to 0. 10 squared is 100. 100 minus 5 times 10, 50 minus 50 is equal to 0. 100 minus 100 is equal to 0. 0 is equal to 0. So therefore, our answer is correct. X is equal to 10. For our third and last example, we will be using a natural log. Natural log of x plus natural log of 2 minus natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of 6. We can simplify this by using the laws of logarithm. So natural log of x plus natural log of 2 is equal to natural log of 2x. And then minus natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of 6. We can still simplify this by using the laws of logarithms. Natural log of 2x minus natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of 2x over 3. And that is equal to natural log of 6. Note that natural log always has a base of e. So we can simplify this equation by raising both sides by e. So the natural log is cancelled. We are left with 2x over 3 is equal to 6. And that can be simplified by multiplying both sides by 3, and that will be 2x is equal to 18. Divide both sides by 2, and we will be left with x is equal to 9. So now for the checking. We will be using the equation natural log of 2x minus natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of 6. Simply substitute the value 9 into the variable x. Natural log of 2 times 9 minus natural log of 3 is equal to natural log of 6. We can simplify this by using the laws of logarithm, which is natural log of 18 over 3 is equal to natural log of 6. Divide 18 by 3 and it is equal to 6. Natural log of 6 is equal to natural log of 6. Therefore, our answer is 9. So now you know how to solve logarithmic equations. For your practice, I'm gonna show some examples for you to solve.